Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to fix a Silicon Valley Bank transaction freeze quickly and effectively. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to fix a Silicon Valley Bank transaction freeze quickly and effectively. If you found yourself in this frustrating situation where your transactions are frozen, don't worry, because we'll take it step by step and make it simple for you. First things first, understanding why your transactions got frozen is key. Typically, it can happen due to suspicious activity detection, compliance holds, or account verification issues. The initial step is to gather all the relevant information related to your account and recent transactions. Have your account number and any alerts or messages from the bank ready, as this will speed things up significantly. Step 2 is to contact Silicon Valley Bank directly through their official customer service channels. Avoid unofficial numbers or email addresses to protect your information. When you connect with a representative, clearly and calmly explain your situation. Mention any recent transaction flagged or unusual activity. Documentation such as transaction receipts or account statements can support your case. The third step is to verify your identity. Banks often freeze transactions to comply with security regulations and need to verify that the account holder is indeed the authorized user. Be prepared to answer security questions and provide requested identification documents. The next step is following up on any additional instructions provided by the bank staff. They might require you to fill forms or give permission to release the hold. Act promptly to avoid delays. If the freeze was due to compliance or regulatory reasons, expect some waiting time, as banks must be thorough in resolving these issues. Monitor your account regularly during this period for updates or new communications. Meanwhile, if your transactions involve urgent payments, notify the bank representative so they can prioritize your case. Another advisable step is to check your email and spam folders for any communication from Silicon Valley Bank that might have automated instructions or links. Sometimes banks send direct emails that help you resolve verification issues faster. Lastly, once the hold is removed, test the transactions carefully by initiating small transfers or payments to confirm everything is back to normal. Keep notes about who you talked to and any case numbers for future reference if needed. Fixing a bank transaction freeze might seem daunting at first, but by staying organized, calm, and proactive, the process can be much smoother. Remember, banks implement these freezes to protect your account and finances, so cooperating and communicating clearly is the best approach to get back on track quickly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated with more helpful guides and tips.